Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to request money on Cash App. So first of all, you need to open your Cash App account and you need to click the dollar mark in the bottom menu. After that, you need to choose the amount you want to request, and instead of clicking pay, you need to click request. Now in the top, you can enter the name of the person you want to request money, or cash tag, or phone, or email, or you can just choose the person from your contact list. And you need to enter the note. For example, I will enter test and click the request button in the top right corner. So after you click the request button, you will send the request to your friend or somebody, guys. So this will be just a notification. The person will receive it and just see it. After that, he or she manually should transfer money to your account. So that's how the requests work on Cash App. If you want to cancel the request, you need to click the time icon in the bottom right corner, and right here you will see your request, which will be in the pending section. Just click it and there will be a delayed request button if you want to delay request, of course. So that's all I want to show you in this video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.